Fractions on a number line. We have looked at fractions as regions of a fraction bar. This one is showing 3 of 5 equal parts, or 3/5. We can also think about fractions as points between whole numbers on the number line. So with 3/5, we divide the number line between 0 and 1 into 5 equal parts. 3/5 is the third point along the line. Now can you imagine where 3/4 would be on this number line? To work it out, we use the denominator to decide how many equal parts to divide the line into. So in this case, 4 equal parts. Then we can count along to indicate 3/4. What about 3/8? This time, we divide the line into 8 equal parts, and 3/8 is the third point along. You can also see where our quarters are. So 2/8 is the same as 1/4, 4/8 is the same as 2/4, and 6/8 is the same as 3/4. So the denominator shows how many equal parts between each whole number, and the numerator represents the number of parts, so shows the value of the fraction. Here is a tricky one. Can you imagine where 7/5 would be on a number line? We can count along. 1/5, 2/5, 3/5, 4/5, 5/5 is our whole number 1, 6/5 is 1 and 1/5, 7/5 is 1 and 2/5, 8/5 is 1 and 3/5, 9/5 is 1 and 4/5, and 10/5 is our whole number 2. So 7/5 on a number line is 1 and 2/5. Understanding both the numerator and the denominator is important for understanding the value of the fraction. The denominator shows how many parts make each whole, and the numerator shows how many parts in this fraction. Being able to plot fractions on the number line is important for understanding the value of different fractions.